The goal seek feature is a part of Excel's what if analysis tool. This is a great data analysis tool. It is used to find the results we want by adjusting an input value. Let's see exactly how it works in practice. Well, let's look at this scenario. I have some items to buy and sell, and we're going to enter the information for these items. Okay, so now these items that I have to sell, I'm going to sell them each at $32. And I have 100 pieces. Okay, so the total revenue I'm going to get will be, we create a formula for that, equals the price times quantity. That's going to be 3,200 total revenue. Now, how much did I buy these items? I bought the items at $2,000. Okay. Then, how much did I transport the items? I spent $320 to transport the items. So that means the total cost will be the item cost plus the transport cost. So I'm going to get the total cost by adding the two, equals item costs plus transport costs. So I spent a total of $2,320. Okay, so how much profit am I going to make with this? Well, I'm going to calculate the profits here, equals the total revenue minus the total costs. And then I get 880. If I sell 100, that's the profit I make. Supposing I want to get $2,000 as my profit. How many of the items do I have to sell in order to get $2,000 profit? Well, that is when we use the goal seek feature to calculate this. The goal seek feature is a part of the what if analysis tool. So let's see how it's going to work. To go there, we have to click on the data tab. So when you click on the data tab, you go right here to the what if analysis. So I'm going to click on it and then select the what if analysis. Has about 3 different tools. We're going to use the goal seek. Okay, so let's select goal seek. Now, the goal seek here, I have this cell here. I'm going to click this cell. That means this is where I'm going to target $2,000. This is the cell, set cell J11. Okay, now I want the value to be $2,000. I want the value to be $2,000 by changing the quantity. So the system is going to explore and calculate how much or how many I have to sell to attain the $2,000 profit. So by changing what cell? By changing the quantity cell. Okay, so I click on it and the quantity cell reference appears here. So if you examine this goal seek window, you can see that the set cell is the total, the profit. That's what I'm looking for. The set cell, I want to be $2,000 as a profit. And then by changing cell, that is, what is it that's going to make it $2,000? Okay, so let me click OK. When I click OK, it's going to give me the answer. So I'll click OK. It's going to take about 2 seconds to get the figure out. So I click on it. You can see, took less than 2 seconds. Now I have to sell 135 pieces in order to get a profit of $2,000. Okay, so what if I want to examine another possibility? Let's go back to the goal seek again. Click on it, goal seek. Now this is the cell, the profit I'm talking about. I want to get a $2,500 profit. How many of the items do I have to sell? So I just simply go to the changing cell. and that is the quantity. And I click OK. You see it? That means I've got to sell 150, about 151 pieces of this item. So you see that this makes it easy for you to analyze your data and the kind of also forecast what you're going to get. Now, this is one scenario. We also have another scenario. Let's say I am a student and I have some exams to take in order to pass my class exam. So what do I do? So far, I've written 1, 2, 3, 4 exams. And these are my scores. I don't seem to be doing so well. And I need to get an average score of 70 so that I'll pass the exam. For now, let me calculate the average. Let's calculate the average that we have at the moment. The average we have now is this. I'm going to calculate it. Equals average, brackets open, and then you calculate the average of all the scores that you have so far. And you will include the empty slot of the last subject, the biology, which you have not done. And then you press enter. You see, so far you have an average of 65.25, but you need to get an average of 70 to pass. There's still a chance for you because you have not taken the biology exam yet. So how well do you have to do in biology, or how much do you have to score in biology in order to get the 70 average, or the average of 70? This is where the goal seek feature also comes in. So let's see how it works. I'm going to click here. This is the average where we target the 70. And then I'm going to click on the data tab and then go to what if analysis and then select goal seek. So far we are at this cell, H16. Now this cell, I want to target 70 for this cell. That is the average. By changing the input from biology. So this is going to tell me how much I need to get score in biology in order to get the average of 70. So I click this box and then I click the biology score, the blank spots. So when I click OK, it's going to run for a few seconds and tell me exactly how much I need to score in biology, how well I need to do in order to get my target of the average of 70. So I'm going to click OK. You can see it's running. And the result is this. I need to score 89% in biology in order to get the total average of 70 so that I can pass my class test. So you can see that the Goal Seek tool is very useful in seeking out information. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.